Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Global ratings agency Moody's has upgraded its credit rating for Jamaica. Finance Minister Dr. Nigel Clarke says this is the best outlook the country has received from Moody's in a number of years.
Moody's, the international credit rating agency, upgraded the government of Jamaica's debt from B2 to B1, and this represents the highest credit rating that Moody's has assigned to Jamaica in over 15 years. Moody's, looked at how Jamaica has dealt with the multiple shocks that we've experienced over the past several years: the COVID-19 pandemic, an unprecedented economic shock; the global inflation crisis, another shock. As well as shocks in the as far as shipping prices and so forth are concerned. And Jamaica has been able to manage these economic shocks and has come out better and stronger, on the other end of it.
This comes weeks after Standard & Poor's also upgraded the country's credit rating from B+ to BB-. Dr. Clarke says this puts Jamaica in a position to access cheaper credit.
All governments, including Jamaica, require credit to operate. All governments, because you have to be able to smooth out the seasonality in tax revenues as they come in, and you have to plan for the future. So all governments depend on loan financing and on credit. And the better your credit rating, the lower your cost of financing. So what does that mean? It means that if our cost of financing is lower, it means that we'll have more fiscal space to afford other things.
The cost of most categories of fuel will go up on Thursday. A litre of 87 and 90 gasoline will decline by 25 cents. Diesel and ultra-low sulfur diesel will sell for $4.50 more per litre, reversing last week's decline. Kerosene will also increase by $4.50. Propane will cost $1.06 more, while $3.06 will be added to the cost of butane. Each gas station will make adjustments to the rates. The Jamaican dollar has gained 34 cents after the Bank of Jamaica pumped $40 million into the market via a flash sale intervention. At the close of trading today, the greenback is selling for an average $156.34. The Canadian dollar is going for $114.68. $190.02 is the average cost for the pound, while it's costing $165.46 for the euro. Jamaica's annual inflation rate as at September was 5.9%. This is the second time this year that the percentage increase in the cost of goods and services has fallen within the Bank of Jamaica's 4 to 6% target range. Director General of the Statistical Institute of Jamaica, Carol Coy, says it was mainly due to performance in the food and non-alcoholic beverages division.
Up by 9.8%. And restaurants and accommodation services up by 12%. These movements were, however, moderated by the 1.9% fall in the index of the housing, water, electricity, gas, and other fuels divisions. The primary class contributing to the upward movement in the index of the division, food and non-alcoholic beverages, was vegetables, tumors, plantains, cooking, bananas, and pulses, which rose by 23.4%.
Meanwhile, Jamaica's unemployment rate was 4.5% in July. This reflects a 2.1% drop in unemployed persons in the labor force compared to July 2022.
The number of unemployed persons in Jamaica was 62,200, and this is 27,500 fewer persons compared to July 2022. The number of unemployed males was 24,600, a decrease of 13,000, while the number of unemployed females was 37,600, a decrease of 14,500.
To the stock market now, the JSE index lost 2,783 points, while the junior market increased by 14 points. Among the 45 winners, Sterling Investments US Dollar, Caribbean Assurance Brokers, Productive Business Solutions 9.75% cumulative redeemable shares, Edufocal, and Jamaica Public Service 7%. The 39 losers include General Accident Insurance, Jamaica Stock Exchange, Siboney Group, Indus Pharma, and Proven Group. 15 stocks ended the trading at the same price they opened the session. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.